All right, let's get out and see if it's here, or at least check the mail. Hey, racetrack time. Hey, here they come. Hey, here comes more. Well, let's look and see. Look at there, it's here. Hot dig. I think y'all gonna like this. I know I'm going to. I have been waiting 6 weeks to get this. 6 weeks. Let's pull down to the house. What? Looky there. Box on the steps. Yes, sir. Hot dig. I know what that is too. So let's get to it. Yeah, look at the shine on that bad boy. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. And of course it rained last night after doing it. That's what those spots are on there. Oh well. But here we go. Something for the channel and something for the channel. Let's get inside and we'll talk about what it is. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So glad each and every one of you can make it. Today we have an unboxing of 2 products for the channel. Nothing fancy, nothing major. Just a little something I was wanting for my personal self and something to help out with the cars. So let's get with the personal thing first, okay? Now, I've already opened this so I can make sure everything was kosher with it. So you'll have to forgive me, but what is in here is something that a lot of people have really been asking me about. And I've been kind of hesitant to do it because I don't want a bunch of them sitting around and then you got to find the right company to deal with and all that. But I've been waiting 6 weeks on these because of the whole COVID-19 thing. You know, a lot of places aren't running full steam. A lot of places have cut back on their help. So yeah, 6 weeks. So what's in here? Let me show you. I'm really excited about it. Yep, not channel merch, channel t-shirts. This is one of the designs I put together. I kind of liked it, showing my pride in my country and everything, because I do love my country. It's not perfect, but it is the best one in the world, so I'm very proud to be part of it. So there you go, there's that one. Now I have several designs that I put together, and I'll be posting them in the, as we go through the video. I'll be posting them so you can see them. And like I said, they're not really merchandise, they're not really for sale. But if you see a design that you really like and you would like to support the channel, let me know and everything. I can customize one about any way you want it, but the ones that you but the ones that you are seeing in the video are the ones that I've already done. And I wanted to, before I announced that I was doing it, I wanted to actually get a couple and check the quality and see how they look, see how they felt. Yeah, hey buddy, and all that before I said, this is what I got. Here's another one. I really like this one again because it's got the American flag in it. It's the distressed flag. This current time that we're in, all the battles we fight and everything, our flag is distressed, but it's still there. It always will be. And this one has a particular thin blue line because right now that represents the bottom part is the crazy lawless part of America. The thin blue line, of course, being our police forces, and then the rest up here, the states and the rest of the country, is the civil nation. That thin blue line separates us from the rest. So that's what that's all about. I completely support them. No, nobody's perfect. There's always a bad apple in everything. I understand that. But I still support them. When we're running away from trouble, they are running toward trouble. I also have one that has red, the thin red line, which is our fire department, our paramedics, stuff like that. So let me get one on and see how it feels. Oh, this is supposed to be an extra large. Let's see how their fitment is. Fits pretty good. I could have actually went with a double XL. Here you go. This is how this one looks. Looks pretty good, don't it? I got these so when I'm doing my car videos or my cleaning videos, stuff like that, I could be wearing one, you know, that way you know what channel it is at all times. I could have actually gotten away, I don't know how it's going to do when it washes, I could have actually gotten away with a double XL. I am a XL. You know, different companies, their products run different sizes. So if you decide you want one, I strongly recommend you getting one a size larger. It fits good, it's not tight. As you can see, it's not tight. But to have that extra comfort, I would recommend getting one size bigger if you want one. I'm not asking you to buy them. Like I said, they're really not even for sale, but if you want one, I'll be more than happy to order you one. I can do it any way you want. I can actually have this on the back if you prefer it being on the back with the channel name there. However, it doesn't matter. But like I said, I'll be putting the photos of the other ones in the video so you can see them. A couple little designs that I made. And there I have the official Camaro Time merch on, wearing it, logo, all that good stuff. Let's do my first official unboxing with it. Okay, got the magic letter opener. Never fails me. It always does what I ask it to do. Let's see. Let's open it from this side. Now this is something that I saw on other channels, and I've actually been looking at it for a while. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I do a lot of car detailing. I try a lot of different products and everything. And recently I've been trying SiO2 infused products like the Ceramic Slam, the Hydro Silex, the Turtle Wax, you know, stuff like that. Now I have the Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic spray. And whenever you use products like that, you can't use a regular soap with it because it will diminish the durability. It will diminish some of the gloss features. You know, there's so many things that it could do, because like my favorite car wash that I have, my Gold Class, has a lot of brighteners in it which makes your colors pop. It has small waxes in it, so that it does provide just a minimal layer of protection. And it has pretty stiff cleaning agents in it, so that it gets your car clean. Well, with this SiO2 infused stuff, you don't want to use a regular soap with it. Okay, what you want is a pH neutral soap, and one that is ceramic safe or coating safe. So I ordered this. It is Reset by CarPro, and what it does, it does just that. It resets the paint back to where it was before it got dirty. Man, the writing on this is so small. I need my old man specs, so let's put them on. How you like that for magic? Pretty cool, huh? Let me open it up. Oh, that's what it looks like bag to put it in. But it's CarPro Reset. Says intensive car shampoo, natural active ingredients. So like I said, it's not going to damage your ceramic coatings or anything like that you put on. Directions: dilute 1 to 500. In other words, one ounce or 1 capful for every 5 gallons of water. Wow, that is a concentrate right there. But any of you that don't know anything about CarPro products, they make the C-Quartz, which was one of the first true or H9, I forgot what it was, coatings that came out, rock solid, rock hard. They are one of the ones that came out with the first one, and now they've got the Reset, which is, like I said, it's safe for ceramic coatings, it's safe for all paints, all finishes, stuff like that, freshly painted cars. This will not hurt anything, and it's very important to have something like this. Now, I put the Hydro Silex on my red car, and it came in a kit form. It actually has its own silica soap, so I'll be using that on that car so we can test it. I got a durability test going on with that. But after that, this is what will be used on it. This will be used on the black car also, because I currently have Ceramic Slam on it, seeing how it's going to do. But yeah, there's 2 things that I got for the channel. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you like the products. Like I said, if you want one, hit me up. I can make it any kind of way you want, but this is the basic designs that I have so far. I know I'm going to do 1 or 2 more for me, for the channel, and That way I have one for each day of the week, and like if I do multiple videos, I can change shirts and stuff. But yeah, I think it turned out really, really nice. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Get out there and enjoy your car. I'm enjoying mine just by doing this stuff. See you next time. Thanks for watching.